Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Devika. If you are watching this page for the first time, please take a moment to subscribe my channel and also don't forget to hit the bell icon. Today I am creating a beautiful and simple wedding guest makeup look that's perfect for any Indian function, day or night. It's a glowy, long lasting and best part, we are using budget friendly products. So let's get started. First, let's prep the skin. I'm using Inside Primer. This helps blur pores and makes the makeup last longer even through dance and sweat. Then I am applying Just Herbs Drop Cream to glow like I have been drinking 8 liters of water daily, which I have not, but nobody needs to know. Instant lit from within look. It adds a natural glow to the skin without looking oily or overdone. You know that the soft, dewy shine you see on the celebrities. Yeah, this is the secret behind that glow. I apply it before foundation on the high points of the face, cheekbones, nose, forehead, chin. It gives a glow from within looks which is perfect for weddings, parties or even reels. Then I am using Swiss Beauty Concealer to hide all my secrets, dark circles, bad sleep schedules, that one pimple that came to attend the shadi uninvited. I use it under the eyes, around the mouth, and on any spot or acne marks. It helps lift and brighten certain areas, especially in pictures and videos, so your face does not look flat. Yeah, concealer is like a best friend, always there to cover your mistakes but never judging. Here comes foundation time. Basically, let's cover all the emotional damage with a smooth base. Makeup therapy begins now. Foundation helps to even out your skin tone, cover any redness, pigmentation, or uneven patches, and give you a smooth canvas to work on. Whether you are going for a light, natural look, or full glam, foundation sets the stage. Now I am using Inside Foundation. It has a medium to buildable coverage, so it's a perfect for weddings or even everyday wear. If you like a glam base, it blends really well, sits comfortably on the skin, and it does not feel heavy. And trust me, for this price, it's a total steal. So our next step is compact because I want to glow, not look greasy like a samosa. I'm using Faces Canada Compact Powder. This is such a great product for locking in your foundation and concealer, especially if you have oily or combination skin. It helps to control shine, blur out pores, and gives a very smooth natural matte finish. Plus, it does not look cakey at all, even if you layer it. It's time to fix the brows, and I am using the Inside Eyebrow Definer. It's a super easy to use, has a smooth texture and fills in the gaps without making my brows look too harsh or artificial. Now let's move on to the eyes. I am using the local brand. I am starting with a neutral shade in the crease to define my eye shape. Just blend it back and forth. Next, I will use a deeper shade on the outer corner to add some depth. Blend well so there are no harsh lines. Later, I will pick shimmer shade on my brush and tapping it right onto the eyelid. This is what gives that shadi glow. Next I am using Faces Canada eyeliner. This one is so easy to apply even if you are not a pro at eyeliner. It has a sharp tip, dries quickly and gives that jet black finish, perfect for adding that extra drama to our wedding guest look. I am drawing a thin line close to my upper lash. Don't worry if it is not perfect, we call it a smoky liner when things go wrong. Now for mascara, and I'm using Swiss Beauty mascara, which is honestly one of the best budget mascara out there. Don't forget the lower lashes, they make a huge difference in your overall look. Kajal is not just makeup, it's self-respect for the eyes. Here I am using Nika's Kajal. Now I am using NYB contour stick. Let's fake some cheekbones because असली तो दिखते ही नहीं in selfies. Now it's time to glow, and I'm using highlighter, one of the best affordable highlighters out there. It's super pigmented and gives that blinding glow we all love for weddings. You can also apply it with your fingers or a fan brush depending on how intense you want the shine. Now let's add some color to the cheeks. I am using Hilary Rhoda blush, and this shade is so perfect and flattering, perfect for the soft wedding guest glow. Lipstick time. Pick your fave shade. Here I am using my Glam lipstick. If you like this fun tutorial, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and comment your fave makeup product. And bus, our wedding guest glow up is ready. Thank you. Bye bye.